Now go a little bit faster on the straight. There you go, not too fast.
This is fun. We're speeding.
See, look, there we go.
Oh, they're racing. Who's going to win? Oh!
You got me. You got me.
I won again. Oh, you won.
Hey everybody, today we're going to open up and put together this brand new slot car set, the Mario Kart,
Yeah.
right? From our friends at Carrera. They sent this to us recently because we couldn't make it to Toy Fair.
Since
Toy
we couldn't make it to Toy Fair, so they sent us all of this.
That's right.
And I've been wanting to go.
I know. So maybe next year we'll get to go to Toy Fair, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And see
So
all
that's.
the cool houses.
I know all the cool
See
stuff.
if they have another one of these.
Yeah, I'm sure Carrera will have a lot of cool stuff there. We also have another set that Carrera sent us, and we're going to put that one together in our next episode.
Yeah.
So let's put this together now, okay? All right.
Open it up.
Let's open it up. And I don't think we need...
Do we need the... No, we don't need the trusty
We
fish.
don't need the trusty fish. You're
Today
right.
we don't need it.
All right, so
That's
here
what
on the
we do.
back, it shows...
Yeah. All the directions.
Yeah, it shows how big the track is.
Yeah.
And we have a red Mario and a green Luigi.
You are going to be the green.
I'm gonna be the green one?
better.
Oh, well. There we go.
It
Open
looks
it up.
like there's all the Mario characters, but there's the castle.
Yep. All right.
Okay, ready?
Here.
Oh, that's
Oh my
heavy.
goodness. You got stuff for the corners.
Oh, I got the I got these. Oh,
You got the
more
card?
bubble wrap for the St. Patrick's Day leprechaun track.
Yeah,
We've
you-
been working on that hard. We just had to buy gold nuggets because they couldn't find gold coins.
That's right. For
And
our
leprechaun trap.
our
It's
leprechaun
very
track.
scrappy, so don't pop those.
I'm not
Save
gonna
them.
pop them. I'm gonna put them over here so you can pop them later. But you know
No,
what?
the leprechauns.
We're gonna need
We're
the
gonna try
trusty
to catch
fish
them
tonight.
this year. We're trying to catch them this year because since we only caught a shoe. Yeah.
Caught a what?
We only caught a shoe
A shoe?
of the leprechaun.
Oh, last year?
Yeah.
Got it?
We
Okay.
might need it.
All right.
Okay.
Here, take that.
Throw that away.
Oh, I get to throw that away?
Yep, you get this little stuff away.
I'm going to put it down there.
Okay.
And, oh, you know what we need to do? Because I know we're going to need batteries.
Batteries.
We're going to need,
What?
I believe, 4 D batteries, right?
These are hard.
I know. Here, let me get that with
I
the...
poke it with my
You gonna
nails.
poke it with your nail? Okay.
I can.
Here's our start and finish line. Here is our
Yeah.
controllers.
The start and finish line is very important.
Yes, it is.
White Grampy?
That's right.
Oh, our controllers.
Oh,
we
look,
have
we
another
got-
one like this.
We
They go
got
like
jumps
this.
too.
They
There we
go
go.
like this, Grampy.
Okay.
You move
All
our
right, put
cars.
this
So
in here. And you know, the fun thing about Carrera
yeah.
is that the cars are bigger
Mhm.
and they stay on the track better,
Yeah.
right? And we have a lot more fun with them.
All the cars that I have is every car in the world.
All right, so here is our setup. All right, we're going to look at that and we're going to see how it goes. Now, the first one is we have to put our start over here. Let's see. I think I'm going to have to send you
What?
to get the battery box and
Do you think I can reach?
go get some batteries.
Yeah, that's the most important thing.
But I got to figure out how to do this
What
first.
batteries do we need? Yeah.
Oh, it slides out that way.
Yeah.
Okay, they are D batteries, so
D
we have to go get the big
D
batteries up in the battery box. All right, no, I need that. You just go get the battery box,
Okay.
the batteries, and come back, okay?
Can't reach.
All right.
I'll be
Now,
back, guys.
we need the 2 small ones, and let's see how these come apart. another nice thing about Carrera is the pieces are so big and they fit together, they stay together. How'd you do?
Good.
Oh,
Daddy got 'em.
Daddy got 'em? All right. So we'll put them over here for now, and we will put them in a minute. All right, so now we have to get another long one.
Another long one. Can I put it on?
Well, they go together kind of stiff, all right? So you're going to need a grown-up. There you go. Okay? All right.
Ready?
And another one. You know what? I don't think our table is going to be big enough. This is a big set.
I know.
My goodness. So we are going to have to...
It's bigger than it looks.
I know. But you know what? Why don't we just, you know, we can put it together.
Yeah.
A little bit shorter than it is, just so we can show everybody. So we're going to hang on to this one, and we're going to put
Those. Another one.
these two together here.
Can I put it on?
All right.
Okay.
And yeah, we're going to move this down.
We need like this part.
Okay.
So is this where the cars move?
Yes. Yes.
I knew it because they were kind of lines in the road.
Yeah.
So now we need to put our batteries in.
Yeah, you don't put batteries.
I got back with them.
And
Happy did you? Okay. Let's put them in.
Now the spring goes to the back part.
Okay. The
And
spring goes to the back part. Where is the
goes this
spring?
way.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need help.
There we go. Okay.
Now can we start playing with
And
it?
well, we can.
Oh,
we have
hold
to take-
on. We need to
Undo
put these
well,
on.
those go on the corners, and we have these right here
So,
to do that.
do not forget to put these on.
Why?
Because then it won't be enough Mario-y.
Yeah, it won't be as much Mario-y.
Yeah.
All right.
Since I might know how to play. Does it go here?
Yes, but we have to put the white pieces on
Oh.
to keep them, to hold them on there.
You need to put these white pieces on, okay? So kids at home, please if you are young, please let your parents do this.
Okay. Or your grandparents.
Yeah, or your grandparents,
Yeah.
if they can get it. How do these go? These are hard to find how they go.
Well, we have to, I'll show you how they go.
How do they?
I'm
Which
going
way?
to show you. Okay, now we got these to
Yep.
put this over here. So we're going to take this.
Yeah.
You squeeze these together,
Mhm.
and there's a little lip on the back here. It goes on there just like that. So we're going to do that under here. All right. We're going to go here. Right there. Okay. So that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Right. All right. So now
Mhm.
these just go in the side right here like this.
Yep.
That little clip
Little cool.
goes like that. All right.
Now
So I think we're going to put these.
we only need one of them.
Well, you need a whole bunch of them.
Yeah.
All right.
To
So
do this.
let's put one on every other. All
On your
right.
controller. Ready?
So let's make a test. Oh,
Let's do a test drive.
test drive. Okay.
Ready?
It's right in there. Okay. And just go slow. Touch it a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Okay. There you go. There you go. Now get used to it. See? Very good.
Look at we're driving on
Very
the
good. Okay, now go a little bit faster on the straight. There you go. Not too fast.
This is fun. We're speeding.
See, look, there we go.
Oh, they're racing. Who's gonna win? Oh!
You got me. You got me.
I won again. Oh, you won. Beating. Yeah, we're starting off at I keep winning, you know.
I'm gonna catch up to you.
Ooh, there was a crash.
I'll come get you. There we
Better
go.
go faster. Yeah, I speed it up.
There you go. All right.
I'm faster than you.
So what'd you think?
I loved it.
You loved it?
It was so fun.
Yep. It was. It was a lot of fun. It was pretty simple to put together once we had the right batteries and stuff. And we had a lot of fun. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. And please share our videos. Please tell your friends. And please, of course, be kind to one another. You guys get a chance to check out the Carrera Mario Kart set. Please do it.
Check it.
Yeah, because it works great. And once she got the hang of it, she did really good. So until the next time, we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV. Hope you guys take good care of yourselves, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.